Welcome to another video to explain how the RCT Animator plugin works. So here I've created a little parking space with some trees, and the goal today is to create a menu where you can set the season. I can do this by starting a new animation. Let's call it autumn. And we've got a trigger, but let's first add some frames. So let's add the frame autumn. And we're gonna edit the frame, gonna add the trees, and we're gonna recolor them to yellow, apply it to all. And also I'm gonna set the delay to 0 to make sure that things are going to be done instantly. Now I'm gonna generate the normal frame. We see that the trees have become yellow. I'm gonna edit this frame, gonna recolor these trees and set them back to just normal green, apply it to all, and also set the time to 0. Now I can loop through this to this. Now in the trigger, I'm going to edit the trigger and I'm going to set it to button. We're going to give it a text called autumn. I got it, and I'll be able to set the position. In this case, I'm just going to set 1. And I can say the number of frames, and then there's also the exclusive and the keep pressed. So I want this button, when it's pressed, to be pressed and not go back. So when you press it again, it will show that it's pressable again. So by selecting this, I can make sure that it shows that it's active or not. When we update the trigger and we activate it, we'll see a menu appear. And if we click it, you see the trees change, but it's the wrong way around. I can fix this by just applying the next frame and now update it again, because every time I click the button, the next one frame is applied. So now it's correct. I've got the normal one and I've got the autumn one. Now I can add a new animation. Let's call it winter. And here also we're going to add the frames. Let's call it winter. I'm going to edit the frame, add the trees to it. Let's recolor them to white, apply everything. Let's also set the delay to 0. And generate the next frame. Let's call it normal again. I'm going to edit this frame, recolor the trees back to green, and also set the delay to 0. Make sure it's on normal, edit the trigger, set it on button. Let's call this winter. We give it position number 2, keep pressed, update the trigger, and when we activate it, now it should normally work, but we probably made a small mistake. Let's see. It's number of frames. This is working. Sometimes it can happen that the menu which is being shown is not the correct one. In that case, you can just open it again, and now you see it works. You see that there's a lot of menus now. The new one is always added at the bottom. When you load the save game again, this is gone and it will only register it once. This is only when you're setting it up that it will create a lot of menus. So we've got the winter one working and we've got the autumn one working. But when autumn is selected and we press winter, it won't work, as you see, because winter is expecting the trees to be green. So we can fix this by actually also setting the exclusive checkbox. And when we set this exclusive checkbox, Now when I press autumn, you see that the other buttons are gone. I can only press this one. And with winter, the other buttons are gone. In this way, you can set up a menu with buttons which will change the appearance of your game. I hope this helps you, and I will be back with more videos to explain more functionalities of this plugin.